Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can block notifications like email notifications, desktop notifications and so on and so forth for the Mega app. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, start by navigating to the Mega app through the desktop version, then click into the profile icon in the top right and choose settings here. Next step, click into the notifications tab on the left hand side and you may go through account notifications as well as email notifications. So if you'd like to disable all account notifications, select this option. So by doing that, you won't be receiving any notifications anymore. For example, if someone has shared a folder with you or with a contact, from a contact, for example, and so on and so forth. And you can do the same for email notifications. Alright guys, according to this information, some email notifications cannot be turned off, including critical warnings. I don't know what that means, to be honest, but I assume, for instance, if you're close to meeting the storage limit or something like that, that's what I would think here. But as you can see, guys, yeah, so that's how you can disable these notifications here. You may do this, of course, also through your Chrome browser settings, right? So if you, for example, click into the site settings here next to the URL, you may navigate to the site settings for the specific, for a Mega app, and then go through these notifications here, right, and block them, right? So you can do that as well. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.